Good morning, it's 7 a.m. We just woke up and it's actually 4 a.m. in California right now. So we are a bit on the jet lag, but not that much because it's only a 3-hour difference. Well, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya, if you're new here, and right now we are in Dominican Republic in Circle Paradisus Grand Palma Real or something hotel, Paradisus Palma Real. And in this video I'm going to share with you everything I eat in a day in all-inclusive basically hotel, and I will show you how to at least try and eat healthy in this situation when everything is, you know, free and you can get your food whenever you want. But first, let's appreciate this view from our window. That's gorgeous. It is a bit gloomy because it's a rainy season in Dominican Republic. It's not a rainy season, it's just starting, I guess. My only skincare here is this Sun Balm SPF cream, and when it's gone I'm gonna be using this SPF cream. And we've got a bunch of other creams. This one, I've never tried it actually before, but it's SPF 100, and this one by Native, it's with zinc oxide, so I've heard a lot of good reviews. And today I'm going to mix this sunscreen with Dermalogical Skin Hydrating Booster. And my first food, my first meal of the day is, as always, aqua, water. It's like non-negotiable thing that I do every single morning after I brush my teeth and before I go cook or eat breakfast. So cheers! This is my outfit for breakfast. Fashion. Men in white. I want to be like bright and colorful in the Dominican Republic. Nice tan line. This is one of the restaurants, and we came here for a breakfast. There are actually a lot of people, and I don't want to show their faces, so yeah, we've got a bunch of food here. A lot of fruits, different kind of fruits. This is what I'm gonna eat, definitely. Yogurts. So much food. So this is Pasha and his meal. So we got a big fruit plate for the two of us. And this is my breakfast. I'm gonna do a little sandwich with this rice cake, cream cheese, and different kinds of salted and smoked fish. There is salmon, tuna, I guess. And I will put some lime juice. Also, I'm gonna eat this yogurt. It's no added sugar. And I'm gonna put the seeds in there and a big piece of pork. I don't know, I just really wanted it. And café con leche. Yeah, the best pineapple is in Dominican Republic. Alright, we spent about an hour in our room and now we are ready to go to the beach. Finally, we are drinking our little Nespresso with non-dairy coffee creamer. This is just something that we found here. They didn't have any milk or half and half or something, so we had to use non-dairy one. But it's okay. I mean, the taste is good. And now we're thinking about getting the Nespresso coffee machine for ourselves because it's super convenient. Going on the beach, going on the beach. Business. I'm rubber. Going on the beach, yo.
They're mushroom.
We just saw a big lizard, like a huge one. It was, I'm not sure that it's called Varan, I don't know in English, Varan. I don't know, but it's scary. So our journey to the beach is getting dangerous. Yeah, but actually that lizard just ran away when he or she saw us. Drinking pina colada. I actually did a couple of sips. It's hot. I just did stretching class. I just attended stretching class and now I'm gonna go to the sea. We just came back from the beach, showered, and now it's time to eat again. So it's lunchtime, and after lunch we are having a Latin dance party. Not a party, actually, like a social dance or something. It's lunchtime and we've got a bunch of veggies and greens for the two of us, and this is my lunch. I've got a little bit of everything. Mussels, broccoli, rice, guacamole, jamon, piece of chicken, and focaccia with beetroot salad. Pasha hates beetroot salad, but I really love it. Yeah, this is my lunch, and I don't think that we will drink something today. We will just get some water. Next outfit, we are going to the pool. So I got this comfy swimming dress. Yeah. back from the gym. There wasn't a Latin dance class, but there was Zumba class, but we didn't want to go there, so we just decided to go to a party after the dinner and to dance there. And now we're heading to dinner. We booked some restaurant called Aqua. I guess it's a seafood restaurant, I'm not sure. This is my last outfit of the day. My outfit for dinner. I'm ready to eat and to dance. Look at this restaurant. Wow. Hey. It's amazing. Falafel tzatziki in tears. The first dish is prosciutto croquettes. We've got some bread with olive oil, balsamic and cheese, while my second dish is mozzarella ravioli. And I'm gonna steal a piece of a lamb leg that Pasha ordered. Я что, так шла? I didn't do it like this.
Cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it and I hope you liked our vlog. And what I wanted to say is that if you want to kind of stay on track during your vacation, especially in all-inclusive hotel, just the first thing is try to be as active as possible. As you can see, we are always like walking, almost always walking to a beach, walking to a restaurant, walking. So actually we get about 10,000 or even more steps per day. I think that's great. And also we are trying to attend as many activities as we can. Of course, activities that we would probably like, not like every activity, just for sake of being active. We like to dance, we usually go to the gym on vacation, but just because we want it, not just because we have to. So yeah, and yeah, just try to be as active as possible, and also don't restrict yourself on eating something that you want to eat. If this is some kind of dessert or some kind of like alcoholic beverage, it's totally fine. You're on vacation, and if you will restrict yourself, if you will not let you eat something that you want, I think it will lead to even more problems, more mental problems, and your vacation will not be as great as it could be. So I think that you should enjoy yourself, enjoy your food, enjoy everything. This is just what I do, what we do here. And also try to keep on with the good habits that you have, like drinking your morning water, doing your warm-up in the morning. And also I think that vacation is a really good time to start some new good habits that we don't have time for in our regular life. So yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!
Música.